In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to convert MP4 to MP3 using VLC media player. Open VLC media player, go to media tab and click on convert/save. Click on file tab, then click on add option, select the MP4 file and then click on open. Click on convert/save. Here on profile tab, click on the drop down menu and select audio MP3. Then select your destination folder where you want to save. Click on browse. I am selecting music folder and then type the file name and save as type. MP3 is selected. Then click on save. Now click on start. Conversion going on and conversion finished. Now go to file explorer. Click on music folder. The MP4 file is successfully converted into MP3. That's it. This is the easiest way to convert MP4 into MP3 using VLC media player.